this is Mike with Extreme Audio. In a 2016 Ford F-150 that we added emergency strobes to. In the front we added 2 amber white combo lights that can flash in over 30 patterns. On the roof we added 1 large light that also can flash in up to 30 different patterns. And then on the rear we added a Putco light bar that goes underneath the tailgate that can also flash in multi-patterns as well. If you're interested in emergency lighting for your vehicle, check us out in Midlothian or Mechanicsville around the Richmond area, or check us out on extremeaudio.org. Thanks.
Extreme Audio has 2 Richmond, Virginia area locations, one in Mechanicsville just past Lee Davis High School next door to Sheehy Nissan, and the other in Midlothian off Hull Street Road in the building with Steelhorse Harley Davidson.